Hi guys, I'm Priscilla and I am your guest service for the February Solid Essential monthly subscription, and I have the package and I'm super excited to be showing this month's Solid Essential. So let's not wait any further and open it. Actually, I've started checking out a little bit already. This is really packed. I have to be super careful. Oh my god, they're so pretty. I'm trying to get them out. Wow. Oh wow. They're so pretty. Wow, look at this color. It's some sort of a waffle knit kind of a thing, if you can see, and it's really pretty. And this one is gray, and yeah, this is the exact color, and this one is also pretty too. Wow, I think everyone is going to love this. Can you see that? I'm thinking some sort of a sweater kind of a thing, or probably a dress also, to look good as a dress. It's very pretty, but I'm so excited and I'll be sewing them up ASAP, and I'll share the picture soon. Thank you so much for having me. There you go. That's the color. Okay, thank you.